Hi, I'm Tim McCain, Dowling Ford of Galleon. Check out this. Revved Up has outdone themselves this time. This is a 23 Ford F-150 Heritage Edition with the Revved Up customized truck. I'll show you. I mean, check out this grille. Isn't that cool with the lighting? So it's got special grille, special lighting, off-road Baja lights, the special Baja style grille, or bumper I should say. Come around to the side. Mickey Thompson Tires, 35-inch Boston rims. On the inside, they did some custom cat leather, but this is a premium XLT. It's huge, 12-inch screen, heated seats, moonroof. If we come back here to the back, got a spray-in liner. It's even got a specialized bumper on the back. Got some lights so when you put it in reverse. But this is an awesome truck. You see that remote tailgate. Come and check this truck out at Dowling Ford of Galleon today.